Machines are humming, stealing sleep tonight. Your body's tired, your heart is worn thin. You're fighting battles no one else can see within. You've heard the doctor say we'll try again. You've learned to smile through the ache and pain. But in your weakness, hear this truth so clear: you are not forgotten here. When your prayers feel heavy on your tongue, when you're too tired to be strong, He is still with you in the waiting room, in the long nights and the quiet room. When hope feels distant, when strength is gone, He's holding you, still holding on. He is still with you in every tear, in every breath that costs you fear. You may be hurting, but you're not alone. He has never left your side. Some days you're brave, some days you break. Some days faith feels hard to take. You whisper, God, how long must this be? With questions no one else can see. You watch the ceiling more than the sky. You learned how often people say goodbye. But even here in this fragile place, you are surrounded by His grace. So when your heart is tired of being strong and the road feels far too long, He is still with you in the waiting room, in the long nights and the quiet room. When hope feels distant, when strength is gone, He's holding you, still holding on. He is still with you in every tear, in every breath that costs you fear. You may be hurting, but you're not alone. He has never left your side. Even when healing takes its time, even when answers don't arrive, your life is precious in His eyes. You are more than this hospital bed, more than the pain inside your chest. You are His child, you are His heart. He sees you, He knows you, He knows you know. He is still with you, He is still with you. He is still with you through every storm. When your nights are long and your days are worn, when you can't believe, when you can't go on, He is your strength when yours is gone. He is still with you, don't let go. Even when the road is slow, you may be tired, you may be weak, but you are held by eternity. So breathe again, even if it hurts. You are not alone. God is closer than your pain.